Want to set the text direction in a shape or text box? Let's mirror the title text to make it look like a reflection. Right-click within the box and select Format Shape. Select Effects from the Format Shape pane. Choose 3D Rotation. Type 180 for the Y rotation. That's the mirror effect we were looking for. Want to change the position of text in a box or shape? To position the text vertically, select the box by clicking in the line of text. Select the Size and Properties icon. Choose Text Box. In the Format Shape pane, choose a vertical alignment. We'll choose Middle. Much better. To position horizontally, select the text box. In this example, we'll press and hold the Shift key to select all 4 boxes. On the Home tab, in the Paragraph section, we'll click the Center button. Perfect.